morning, guys. For us, well, it's actually afternoon. We don't wake up until like 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon because of my job. So I know it's been a minute, and we'll explain that later on, guys. So say what up to Whitney. Get up. Say what up to the people, babe.
No.
Time to get up. Got stuff to do. Let's go.
No.
You want to shave up to go against the hair. The hair grows down. You want to shave up. All right, shave upwards. Looks good. Sexy. All right, if you guys want to see exactly what I put in my hair and how I do it, comment below and let me know. Breakfast is going to be some breakfast burritos, you guys. We're going to be using eggs, bacon, guacamole, sour cream, cheese, and tortilla shells. Let's get it. Oh, and let's not forget. Oh, that's a plantain. It's not a banana, so it's not a slow banana. So shut up. It's a plantain. Jamaicans know what it is. Us Jamaicans. Us Wagwanians. Alright. Don't forget oatmeal. For us men out there, oatmeal. You haven't had breakfast without oatmeal. A little salt. A little pepper. Go. A little salt, a little pepper. When you hear that, that's how you know it's working. That's how you know it's ready. Yeah, look at that. If that ain't a sexy egg, I don't know what it is, y'all. That ain't a sexy egg right there.
Chef boy or brown. Chef boy or brown.
So I got right here what I have is a half a cup. What I like to do, let's put, I usually do about a whole cup. This half a cup, I usually do 2. I don't feel like doing 2 today. I'm only gonna do 1 today. And what you do is, you fill it up, you just double it with water pretty much. Well, a water and a half. So a cup, you always do a cup and a half. So a half a cup is a cup and a half. And then a half cup is is a half cup and a half. It's kind of hard. 2 minutes.
Ooh, sorry. Some of them.
Nah, we do it.
Yeah.
So usually I eat my blueberries, but yeah.
We've been gone for a couple of days, so those are spoiled. Are you about to cry? He was so freaking delicious. Go ahead and make that burrito, boy. Do your thing. Do your thing. My mouth is watering.
Yeah. Guacamole.
Yeah.
It's real good for your metabolism. We don't keep up with all them calories and all that stuff, alright? It's a lot of calories.
Oh my god. Salsa. Oh.
We don't want too much dairy.
Yeah, because I got real bad sinuses. Look at that drizzle. So yummy. Final topping, everybody.
Use.
I gave.
Yeah. Just a little bit of that, not a whole lot. Y'all want too much again, but you want enough. What you really don't want too much, y'all, is cinnamon. Cinnamon, y'all.
Yeah.
Don't put too much cinnamon though. Cinnamon will overthrow your jaw.
It'll.
But cinnamon.
Yeah. It has a kick. If you put too much in there, you will.
And a little bit of honey.
A little bit of honey.
Like I said, I usually put blueberries in here, but we all like blueberries, so.
Just the so-so oatmeal.
Or bananas.
So-so oatmeal. Me don't name that, people. I'm telling you something. My straight oats porridge, caramel porridge, banana porridge, any porridge you can think about, I mean that. Me not eat oatmeal. What is that? What is that? What is that? Me don't want that for nyam. Good girl that nyam oatmeal. Good girl nyam porridge. Good to eat porridge.
What up? Alright guys, first off, we want to apologize, alright? We sorry, apologize. We haven't been posting as much as we should. Ever since, the pandemic thing has been slowing down, we started getting busy. There's a lot of stuff we got going on right now. We got a lot of plans in the making, a lot of things in the works that we're working on, so bear with us, you guys. But we're gonna start back posting starting today, so expect more of us. We got a few videos we got in mind, some good stuff. So we had time to think, and but yeah. Heck yeah.
Alright, y'all, we are currently at Sam's Club.
Yeah.
Pulling up. Hey, Mr. Brown.
What up?
Sam's Club.
What's happening, y'all?
What'd you say, boy?
I'm just gonna grab some random stuff. We don't even know exactly what we coming to grab, but it's Sam's Club, so just go up in there and see what they got.
Pretty much. It's a parking space right here. Yeah. This sun is bright. I'm sorry, y'all. It's really bright. Like, it's bright.
You funny. My stomach hurts.
Huh?
Say my stomach. Go ahead. You good? Go ahead. All right, y'all. So I'm about to prank her. She's on her way in Dollar Tree right now. So you guys see? Yeah. To grab some stuff real quick. I guess I'm about to prank her with. All right. So. Yeah, we about to get her, dog. Yeah. So I'm about to prank her with this that stank spray. I got that stank spray, y'all. Let me see. Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all just a picture. It's like fart prank. Dang, you showing? Yes. Yeah, fart prank. Somebody gonna call me in the middle of my prank. Hello?
Oh shit, I got wrong number, my bad.
Oh, all right. That's what mama, y'all. All right. So I'm gonna spray it. I don't know how many times I spray this junk. And I hope it say it stains. So I don't want it to stain my car, man. But yeah, see how this goes. I'm gonna wait because I don't want to be sitting here while it's stinking, you know what I'm saying? Then that's just pranking myself at that point. I sprayed it at work in the locker room, man. It was so funny. Man. It was one of the other guys who gave it to me. So shout out to Davis, shout out to Davis for this funny prank. So butt cheeks, man. It's a butt crack smell. Butt crack smell. Liquid raw. That's what it's called. Fart prank. So, what's the ingredients in here? Oh, I hope this junk go away fast though, because I don't want to be dealing with this junk like too much. Oop, got her. Alright, here she go, y'all. Here she go. Shit, that's a lot of spray. Ooh, shit. So let's see what she say. Oh, god.
What you laughing about?
My stomach.
Babe, what the fuck is that smell? Babe, what
I
the
told you my stomach. Bro, my stomach hurt.
What the fuck is that? No, babe. That is not fucking funny. That shit stink. Oh, did you shit yourself?
It was one of those liquid
Open the
farts.
fucking door. That stink.
It do stink. Ooh.
Open the door. That window. No.
gotta-
Fuck it. Hell
Hey, we gotta get
no.
home. Come on, close the door.
You got me fucked up, man. That shit stink, babe. What the fuck is that? That smell like you
Ooh.
shitted on yourself. I'm serious. Are you joking right now?
Man, my stomach hurts so bad.
You want me to drive?
I'm good. I got it. Come on, we gotta go though. So we gotta get to the house.
Man, you better cut that air off because it stank up in here. The fuck?
That was a wet fart.
No, that wasn't wet, nigga. That was moist. Oh. That shit smells stank.
That do stink real bad.
No, no,
That
babe.
stink real bad.
Put the car in park and look at your ass. I'm pretty sure you got like a little bit of a shit, like what you call that? A shark?
A stain.
Yeah, you got a skid mark or something.
Yeah,
Check
boy.
that shit.
Ooh-wee.
Babe.
Jesus.
You want to go home?
Oh my goodness, babe.
Do you want to go home? That shit stink. Or something. That shit nasty.
Oh, yeah, that junk stink. That junk
Why is you
stink
getting a
terrible.
euro?
Because I just need something right now to eat.
And you farting?
Yeah, man, that just made me super hungry. That fart just made me super hungry. Like,
Babe, pull the fuck over. Because this don't even smell right. It smell rancid.
what's that mean?
Fucking nasty as fuck.
You want some from here?
No, I don't want it from here. It's fucking stinks in here.
I'm gonna fart again, baby.
You better not fucking fart in here. If you fart in here, you better pull this fucking car over and let me out. You're stealing my fucking mask.
You just got pranked, okay? I had pranked you with this stank ass spray.
Where the fuck you get that from?
One of the other officers gave it to me.
Tuttle gave you this shit?
Nope.
Who the fuck gave you this?
What other one's Davis? I don't think you met him yet.
Why he give you this? Where the fuck he get it from?
He got offline.
That shit talk about some liquid ass. This was way worse than liquid ass.
That was terrible.
That stank. It smelled like something
so
died.
bad. That smelled like a whole slaughterhouse. Like
Man.
stank. Like that was bad.
It smelled like it was just nasty. It just smelled like it was mixed with something.
Do you think we should spray it inside of Kroger's?
I think, man, that shit so we should go stand by some people, spray it, and catch their reaction. Cause I'm pretty sure they gonna act the same way I just acted. Cause that shit stank. Okay. I had to put my mask on. That shit stank. Like, it was so rancid.
Alright, what am I gonna do?
But
Yo, that junk stinks so bad, man.
outside smelling like that. But then you say my stomach tore up. I'm like, what?
Oh, mask. Where my mask at? Did you get mine?
Ain't nobody. There's a lot of people in there not wearing no damn mask.
Hold that for me.
What?
Oh shit, that shit stank. That shit stank like a motherfucker.
Arm, look at this shit.
That shit stank.
They finally got it though.
Yeah, yeah. Let me get them over here. Shit, that shit stank like a motherfucker.
It's on my arm. You not hearing me?
That shit terrible.
I know. It's not my fault though.
This shit didn't work. Soon as you go.
I can smell it right here though.
No,
No, I'm smelling it on my fucking arm. It's on my arm.
Shoppers and associates, please join us in practicing social distancing. Avoid mass gatherings and maintain a distance of 6 feet, approximately 2 cart lengths, from others when possible. Together we can help keep each other safe and healthy. As always, thank you for shopping with us today. Now through June 28th, you can earn 2
That shit stank.
points every
Nothing?
Thursday through Sunday.
No reaction?
So if you shop
Oh. I'm trying to get people, but nobody give us no reaction, so.
I thought she was gonna come up with it, so I sprayed it in the air. So
Oh.
she won't get it.
Man, ain't give us a reaction. You know, we out.
Hold on.
We tried to get a couple people, but ain't nobody giving us a reaction. You know, this is Kroger, so
Yeah, they're all opening.
everybody is all nice and junk. Oh, he must have pooed it.
Smell my hand.
Smell that through this thing on thing. It's like, what the fuck was that?
What? You smelled it?
She'll get kicked out of Kroger's, man. She'll get kicked out of here. Yeah, she smelled it. She looked back like, what the fuck?
Like, she shitted on herself.
Oh, man.
They like, she shitted on herself. What the fuck was
Yeah,
that?
that's funny as heck, man.
I'm trying to go be about them people that don't got no mask on. Everybody that don't got masks on will smell shit today. My hands smell like it.
All right, we out. Let's go. We done.
This was great.
No, we done, babe. Stop.
No.
That's enough. You're doing too much.
No.
You'll get in trouble. Stop.
You gonna go to self checkout?
We were, they're all full closed. They're on
Oh.
strike, I guess.
I guess.
It's bad when employees don't show up in the self-serve lines.
Right.
That's enough, babe. Stop that.
I thought I was going there.
You just,
Huh.
you need to stop. You still trying to spray that shit.
Did we get a discount?
We can get in this one here.
It's like self checkout.
So you're getting carried away, y'all.
Man, it's on me, shit. I gotta wash.
junk is lingering so bad.
I don't know how the fuck I sprayed it on myself. Let me see that lady.
Excuse us for all the cuss words, but man, it is terrible. Like, that junk smells so bad. Like, it's ridiculous.
No, it smelled like it's on me now because I sprayed myself with it. By accident. I was trying to spray behind me and it blew on my arm and my purse.
She got carried away. That's what you did. You got carried away. You started spraying everybody and everything with that junk in there. You almost got us kicked out of Kroger.
We wasn't gonna get kicked out. Come
I'm
on.
like, hey, stop. That's enough.
No,
I'm sorry, too.
that's not enough. Shoot.
That junk was crazy. It was fun though. Alright, now we're finna go home and making a salad.
Yep.
Cool.
after I scrub my whole body, because this is lingering.
What are you about to eat, babe?
Some teriyaki chicken salad.
Alright, cool. Teriyaki chicken salad it is. Alright guys, this video is going to be cut a little short. We forgot to charge the battery, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We definitely did. It felt real good to make another video, so don't worry, we're back. We'll be posting a lot more. Apologize again for waiting so long. Hope you guys understand. And stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notification bell button if you didn't already. And stay tuned for the next one.